Here I'm getting ready to go cut up a millionaire for a special party he's having. So I'm grabbing my essential tools, for sure my oil and my cool kit, cause I'm about to go hard. Here I was pulling up, admiring that beautiful view and praying to God that's me one day. Bless, my boy loved it. He told me to come back every Monday for that special haircut, a Danny special. When it comes to getting a great haircut, finding the right barber is a must. It can make all the difference between looking good and feeling great. Fortunately, too many of us make the same mistake, going to a barber who's not the right fit or who doesn't deliver quality cuts. Let's face it, barbers come in all shapes and sizes. Many are experienced professionals who can give an outstanding cut, but then there are those who don't have the same skill level or expertise. Before deciding on a new barber, the best thing to do is to read reviews and talk to people who had their hair cut by them before. This can give you an indication of the type of barber they are and if they deliver a quality cut that meets your standards. Another mistake many of us make is trying to save a few bucks. Come on, bro. Sure, saving money feels great at the same time, but it's important to remember when it comes to your hair, you get what you pay for, obviously. Searching for the cheapest barber often means settling for a subpar cut. Distrusting the opinion of online reviews often leads to a bad haircut. A good barber will be honest with you about what kind of cut will work best for your hair type and face shape. They won't try to force you into a style that doesn't suit your look. They can offer helpful advice about products and maintenance. A good barber will listen to your wants and your concerns, as well as provide a style that is both fashionable and flattering. And lastly, don't be afraid to ask questions, bro. Come on, man, I'm your barber. Ask me what you want to ask me, bro. I'm here to make you look better and take care of your image. Ask them about their technique and how long they've been cutting hair. Ask them what kind of products they use and their tips for styling your hair after the cut. That's important. It's okay to be choosy when it comes to finding the right barber. After all, the wrong one can give you a style that can take months or longer to fix. That annoying process that nobody wants to go through. Finding the right barber is worth taking your time and doing the research. Luckily you found me. Whether you're just looking for a simple trim or a full-on makeover, I got you, bro. Facials, black masks, electric face massagers, good products, organic products, I got you, brother. Taking the time to find the right barber will ensure you that you get the look you want without any regrets. That, my friends, will be coming with me. When it comes to deciding on a barber, don't make this common mistake. Take your time to find someone who fits your needs. The best barbers will take their time to understand your style and talk to you about what you want. They will ask about your grooming preferences and offer advice and suggestions on how to get the look you're after. Your goal should be to ensure that you walk out of that shop looking and feeling your best, confident in that new style you're sporting. Your barber should take the time to learn more about you. Yeah, and I'm showing off my tattoo. What's up?
Consultation mistakes to avoid as a client, part 1.
Step 1. Prepare beforehand. Clearly outline your objectives and goals for the consultation.
Relevant information about the topic or issue you want to discuss.
Make a list of questions or concerns you want to address during the consultation.
Choose the right consultant. Conduct thorough research to find a consultant who specializes in your specific area of interest or industry.
Read reviews and testimonials to ensure the consultant has a proven track record of successful client consultations.
Consider the consultant's communication style, whether it aligns with your preferred approach. Consultation mistakes to avoid as a client, part 2.
Step 3. Communicate expectations. Clearly communicate your expectations and desired outcomes to the consultant ahead of time.
Provide any background information or context that can help the consultant understand your needs better.
Be open and honest about any limitations or constraints that may affect the consultation process.
Remember, this is important. You gotta actively participate. Come prepared with an open mind and a willingness to actively engage in the consultation process. Don't be scared to say what you want, how you feel, or what you want to tell me. Ask questions and seek clarification whenever necessary. If you're looking for a new texture color in 2023, this right here is the newest and the hardest. Go ahead and check it out. Message me if you want one. I'll ship one out to you. Construction mistakes to avoid as a client, part 4.
Step 7. Reflect and evaluate.
Take time to reflect on the consultation experience. Evaluate its effectiveness.
Identify what worked well and what could be improved for future consultations.
Consider providing feedback or testimonials to the consultant to help them enhance their services.
Remember, effective client consultation involves preparation, active participation,
Clear communication is key.
and a willingness to implement recommendations.
By following these simple steps, you can optimize the consultation experience and achieve the best possible outcome. Consultation mistakes to avoid as a client, part 3.
Step number 5, provide feedback. Offer constructive feedback to the consultant throughout the consultation process.
If something is not clear or doesn't align with your expectations, communicate in a promptly and politely manner. Don't be like, hey, yo, what the f***? Passing you the
Share
ball.
your thoughts on any potential areas for improvement or further exploration.
Step number 6, follow through.
Take proactive steps to implement the consultant's recommendations and insights.
Communicate any progress, challenges, or successes to the consultant.
Keep the lines of communication open for ongoing support and guidance.